All right, this one is called Rake the Face. This is what we do. Let's break that down. I'm standing like this. Now call this your ready position. It's not a move. I just want you to be natural. It's natural for us to put our hands up when we feel threatened. So give yourself permission to do just that. Hands up. And when your attacker makes their move, maybe they've already hit you, or maybe they're moving so fast, like you know it's coming. That's when you put up your hands to protect what's most important, your head. Immediately from there, bring your hands together and dive in toward their face. One hand stays on my attacker's face, the other continues around to the back, and we make a tight hug. And use your whole arm to make that hug, not just your hands. So the hand squeeze, but also your forearm and even your elbow. So you bring it all in. Make that a whole arm hug. And tuck your head. If they're tall, that might look an awful lot like listening to their heart. And so it won't matter where you hug them from. So now wherever you end up, use the hand that is still on their face, hold it like a rake or a claw, make it stiff. And then what you do is you press into their face. Now rake forward and backward, both directions. Now the angle might depend on how tall they are or where I'm reaching from, but I'm going in both directions and I'm pressing inward as I go. I never let the pressure come off. So I'm not doing this. I'm just going back and forth. Drag your fingers right across their entire face. So it's right across their entire face, and you never let the pressure off. And you don't have to come in and start going downward. I normally come in and I start going up as I come in close. Now, hold your hand rigid, but don't worry if your fingers give a little bit. If they flex a little bit as you slide across a feature going in one direction, you'll catch going in the other direction. And one hand, switch hands, both hands, it all works. So try it on yourself. Go gentle. For now, just use the pads of your fingers and go right across your own face. And this is where you can practice. Shape your hands like a claw. So curl your fingers. If you feel your palm against your face, you know to curl your fingers more. And remember, you're pressing inward as you pull and keep pressing inward and then push back in the other direction. So you're going back and forth. What you don't want is sideways. Okay, so it's back and forth. Now, if you do it right, you'll feel that your fingers will want to catch on all sorts of things, eyelids, lips, anything and everything. And that's good. Do that for realsies, and your attacker is going to feel a little bit of pain. Here's why it works so well. It is painful. It is overwhelming. It threatens your attacker's eyes. It collects DNA. You don't need to see or to aim. You just throw your hands up and you start doing the move. And you can find the face by moving your hands around. If they're moving around, you just adjust as you go. And once you find their face, you don't have to change anything. You just keep on doing what you were doing. And this is also not a one-shot deal. You can stay here and let them enjoy the pain. Legally speaking, it also looks very defensive. Now, how hard do you press? As hard as you can. Again, you're holding your hand rigid so that you can pull and also push right across their face. And think about being nasty. If you are pressing in and your fingernails break, keep going. And again, if your fingers flex a little bit, that's okay. They will catch on something eventually. Keep on going. Remember, this is the street, right? They have laid hands on you. You have no choice. It's either you or them. So fight like your life depends on it, because it does. Okay, here it is one more time. The attack comes. Good enough. Now it's your turn. And just play with it for a second or two. Don't worry, we'll tune as we go. We have a lot more videos to go. Spend no more than a minute or two trying it out, and then we'll move on. Okay, great job. Let's go to the next video.